Watch one show 10 times, a simple way to learn English. Learning English can feel difficult sometimes. You try many methods, but see little progress. What if one simple habit could change everything? Watch the same English show 10 times in 10 days. Yes, the same show again and again. It sounds boring at first, but your brain learns differently than you think. Day 1 feels confusing and slow. You understand only some words. You read subtitles constantly. Characters speak too fast for you. You feel lost in many scenes. But you finish the first watch anyway. Day 2 feels a little easier. You recognize some faces and voices. You remember one or two short phrases. The story starts to feel familiar. You still need subtitles most of the time, but your eyes move less between screen and text. Day 3 brings small surprises. You catch a word before reading it. You smile when a favorite scene arrives. Your ears start recognizing sound patterns. You notice how people say going to as gonna. You hear want to becoming wannas. These small sounds start making sense. Day 4 feels more comfortable. You understand short sentences without subtitles. You predict what a character will say next. Your mouth moves slightly with their words. You feel connected to the characters. Day 5 is a turning point. You laugh at jokes without reading translations. You feel emotions from voices alone. You recognize anger, happiness, and sadness. Your brain no longer translates word by word. You start thinking in simple English. Day 6 builds your confidence. You try speaking some lines aloud. You copy the actor's tone and speed. Your pronunciation feels more natural. You learn how to link words together. Day 7 feels almost magical. You understand most of the story easily. You notice small details you missed before. Background conversations become clearer. You feel proud of your progress. Day 8 deepens your learning. You remember useful phrases for daily life. Phrases like no problem or see you later. You imagine using them in real conversations. Your vocabulary grows without memorizing lists. Day 9 strengthens your ears. Fast speech no longer scares you. You understand different accents better. You enjoy the rhythm of English. Listening feels less like work now. Day 10 brings a beautiful surprise. You watch with English subtitles only. Sometimes you turn subtitles off completely. You understand much more than you expected. You feel a quiet confidence inside. You realize you learned without studying hard. This method works because of repetition. Repetition teaches your brain naturally. Your ears learn sound patterns slowly. Your mouth learns how to make new sounds. Your mind connects words with meaning. You learn grammar without grammar rules. You see how native speakers really talk. You learn phrases, not just single words. Phrases are more useful in real life. Choose a short show you enjoy. 10 to 15 minutes is perfect. Pick something with daily conversations. Romantic comedies work very well. Cartoons are great for beginners. Make sure you like the story. You will watch it many times after all. Start with English subtitles on day 1. Keep them for the first 5 days. On day 6, try without subtitles sometimes. Take short breaks between watches. Watch once per day for 10 days. Do not watch all 10 times in one day. Your brain needs time to rest and remember. Sleep helps your brain save new information. You will remember more after sleeping. Speak aloud when you feel comfortable. Copy the actor's voice and feelings. Do not worry about perfect pronunciation. Focus on sounding natural and clear. Your mouth muscles need practice too. After 10 days, choose a new show. Repeat the same 10-day process. Each show adds new words and phrases. Your listening skill grows with every show. You will feel progress after just one cycle. After 3 shows, your confidence rises. After 10 shows, people notice your improvement. This method costs nothing but time. You do not need expensive courses. You do not need a teacher nearby. You only need patience and consistency. Small daily effort creates big results. Your brain loves repetition more than you think. Children learn language this way too. They hear the same words again and again. They do not study grammar books. They learn by listening and repeating. You can learn like a child again. Without pressure or exams. Just watching and enjoying a story. The story helps you remember the language. Emotions make memories stronger. You remember words connected to feelings. A funny scene helps you remember a phrase. A sad moment helps you remember new words. Your heart and mind learn together. Do not expect perfect results in 10 days. But expect real progress and hope. You will understand more than before. You will feel less afraid of English. You will want to watch more English shows. That desire is the real victory. When you enjoy listening, you will improve. When you stop fearing English, you grow. This simple habit changes your relationship with English. English becomes a friend, not an enemy. Start today with one short show. Watch it once with English subtitles. Tomorrow, watch it again. Keep going for 10 days. Trust the process even when it feels slow. Your brain is working even when you do not notice. On day 10, you will be surprised. You will understand words you never studied. You will feel the rhythm of English in your mind. You will smile and say, "I can do this." And you will be right. One show. 10 days. Real progress. Your English journey can start right now. No books. No tests. Just one show. Press play and begin. Your future self will thank you. Because small habits create big changes. And 10 days is just the beginning. Morning is a good time to watch your show. Your mind is fresh after sleeping. Evening works well too for many learners. Find the time that fits your life. Consistency matters more than perfect timing. Keep your show on your phone. Watch during bus rides or lunch breaks. Small moments add up to big learning. Do not skip days if you can avoid it. Missing one day is okay sometimes. But try to return quickly to your habit. Your brain remembers better with regular practice. Write down one new phrase each day. Keep a small notebook for your favorites. Review these phrases on day 10. You will be amazed how many you learned. Some words will feel strange in your mouth at first. This is normal and will improve with time. Your tongue needs exercise like any muscle. Be kind to yourself during this process. Learning takes courage and patience. Celebrate small wins every day. Understanding one new sentence is a victory. Recognizing a word without subtitles is success. Your progress is real even when slow. Other people might not see your growth, but you will feel it inside yourself. You will notice it when watching new videos. Suddenly, other English content feels easier. This is the power of deep listening. Depth beats width in language learning. 10 views of one show teach more than one view of 10 shows. Your brain needs time with the same sounds. Familiarity creates understanding naturally. You do not need to understand everything. Understanding 60% is enough to grow. Your brain fills missing pieces over time. Trust that your mind is learning quietly. You might dream in English after day 7. This is a sign of deep learning. Your subconscious is practicing while you sleep. Do not worry if this does not happen. Everyone learns in their own way. Your journey is unique and valuable. Share your experience with a friend. Learning together makes it more fun. You might inspire someone else to try. Language learning connects people. Every small step brings you closer to fluency. 10 days seems short, but changes much. Start today. Your English self will thank you tomorrow. Press play. Listen closely. Believe in yourself. You are capable of more than you think. Your English journey begins with one show. And one show watched 10 times changes everything.